Hello again, it's Priscilla Batzell. I'm in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist House Fluorescent Studio, and this is a 16 by 20 inch canvas that I have covered with mead and black paint. It's now dry, mostly. I was just using some interference colors. I'm going to use some interference gold. I am a Colourarte affiliate, so it's going to be interference gold from Colourarte, and it's a primary element. And I think that I'm interested in getting the top right off of that. And hopefully I can get enough paint on this canvas. I'm going to blend paint with a spatula. I hope. I'm going to try not to put anything too close to the interference, but I do expect to blend it. This is water lily. It's kind of plugged. It's more than kind of. But I will use it as best I can. I wish that was not plugged. I've got Jasmine, which is a primary element. Water lily is a prism pour. Jasmine is a primary element. And I put Purley Pigments, which is a new product from Colourarte, Dancing Fuchsia in there. I wanted some Egyptian blue. But I think what I'm going to do before that is put some Chantilly lace in, so I can put some other colors in, like the Rhapsody rose and the Egyptian blue, and anything else dark that I want to show up light. And while I'm here, I'm going to use some of the frosted berry, because that's another good option. I have no idea what I'm doing, but I do just like to sort of follow along with the mark that I make. I've got a little bit of Tuscan Sun. Well, I've got as much as I want, honestly. And some saffron. I've got some sour lemon with orange crush in it I'm trying to use up. Looks like I'm making a painting before a painting again, as Tara always said. I did eradicate my ability to put any of this Egyptian blue anywhere except for here. But I talked about the Rhapsody rose, and I think I see it. And it's a primary element. And I'm going to use some, oh, am I not? I did not check my bottles, so I'm going to use some more frosted berry. Excuse me, frog in my throat, as an easy background for my not coming out yet Rhapsody rose. So there's a point in time when you just need to start, and this is that. Except for when you go to do that and your brain goes, nope, you need something else, you stop and add that something else, and that is orange crush, which is also causing me a trouble. Oh, come out. I have a chip on my finger. It's making it really hard to... Okay, that's not really helpful. I admit it, I should have checked my bottles and I didn't. I've got some now. And that makes me want some African Violet. And when I grabbed the African Violet, the color voice in my head said, Royal Sapphire, please. Which may or may not work that close to other colors. I may have to go back. I'm either going to get used to the marks or I'm going to have to go back and add some more paint, which has happened quite a few times in the past. Just a ribbon of paint. I'm going to wipe off my spatula. I keep a studio rag. I recommend everybody does. I'm going to steal some of this Jasmine here. And I'm not sure where I'm getting, but I kind of like the shapes that I left behind. Unfortunately, they're not going to stay. I've got beautiful, beautiful colors on my spatula, and now I know what to do with them. Because I don't have a choice. I probably did, but I couldn't think of it. So I'm going to take the paint right off my spatula and just use it. Because I use GAC 800 by Golden, and I love my paint mixers, which means if I have something heavy, I can leave it and it won't crack. And I'm going to try and allow myself the pleasure of leaving it. I like all of this. I'm going to steal a little bit of that. And if I need dribbles, I'll add them. I think I'm going to leave this one selection. Am I going to leave this, though? That's the question. And if I'm not going to leave it, what am I going to do with it? I love the black negative space. Some things I want to go away. Like that blue right there. That's a Q-tip that I just moistened with my tongue. And I kind of like that idea of that moving around, so I might put some blue in there. I like all this weird stuff, and if I do this, I'm going to have a whole lot of paint left on my spatula. Oh boy, maybe I want to go here. And I'm really thinking about adding those dribbles. Alright, where's my Q-tip? Because I got a little bit too enthusiastic down here. Kind of like that. Not sure about this yet, but I could steal some of that paint. I've got beautiful purple there, don't I? Cool, and it went the distance, and I'm surprised. But by the same token, I kind of removed some paint. That was convenient. It pretty much covered up as well as I needed it to. I'm going to take my Princeton Art Tool Catalyst spatula tool again. And the paint on this OXO omelet turning flip and fold spatula that's on my Amazon link. If you're looking for stuff on my Amazon link and you can't find it, as long as you start there, you'll be helping me out. But there used to be 3 lists there. I'm not sure about the state of things anymore. It used to be easy and then it stopped being easy. Paint in my mouth. No thank you. Am I feeling like adding some more colored stripes? I'm not 100% sure on this thing over here, especially this one drop of paint that's Jasmine. I love the Jasmine, but I think that's got to go. Maybe I love the Jasmine enough to put some more in. Try not to drop the edge of your bottle into your painting. I like that. I like that too. Oh, I guess I'm going to get a drop whether I like it or not. Who knows if this is going to get any more color tomorrow, but right now, no. That does not belong there. I'm still thinking some blue. I'm actually thinking if I could get some of this sour lemon to come out, which I'm kind of dubious about. I got a little I got a bubble. Maybe that's enough. That's my story and I'm sticking to it. Alright, so I'm liking a lot of this. This is the Egyptian blue. Which will dry very dark and not be standing out much at all. I'm going to use my thumbnail to meld that. Could be a skewer. I think this little mark here is bugging me. I'll be interested to see that interference in here, this white, that's going to be beautiful. I'm really tempted to put some orange in and I'm not sure why yet. Yes, no? Let's just meld that in. I'm not sure that was a wonderful addition, but it wasn't a horrible one either. And maybe I'm going to take advantage. Alright, I don't have much time left. I can give myself another minute. I'm thinking about something here. Maybe I was not going to put the Royal Sapphire there, but I think I will. I had another place I wanted to put it too. Could probably put a little in here. Might blow that around. I was going to put some over here, I believe. And there we have it. A weird, another weird work of art where I'm not entirely 100% sure what's going to happen until the next day when it dries and I see how I feel about it. I love you guys. Take care of each other. Take care of yourselves. Know I have 32 playlists. Know I have a 20% off Colourarte coupon code. Promo code underneath the video near the Pixel Paint Designs 10% off coupon code. I'm not sure that that spot is helping me out. I do have a skewer. I don't know if making it round is going to help. But it probably won't hurt. I kind of want to pretend that that pink line and that orange line are going behind things. This is cool. I love the way these colors blend. I really, really do. What have I forgotten? Everything. Please share my videos when you watch them longer. You help my standing on YouTube. It's the only thing that the algorithm understands. I'm going to try and shimmer this at you. I didn't turn all my lights on tonight. I got great shapes. I may take a straw and blow into those areas. And of course this will look different without that big bunch of glare over here. Come on, turn your light on. There we go. That's got to be better. And I'm going to use my skewer. Just to taper off the ends of those blobs. Actually, I kind of want that one to go right in there. Like that. I love you guys. Take care of each other. Take care of yourselves. I'm looking across the room to see my crib notes, which I should not need after doing this for years. And I put something over it, so whatever I'm forgetting to tell you, you'll see in another video. There are 100 videos on each playlist, 1 through 33, and everything is also available by topic and genre. And I kind of want some yellow over here, but I think I can put that in tomorrow if I still feel that way. So for now, no, I love you guys. Take care of each other. Take care of yourselves. Whatever I'm forgetting, you'll see in another video. I'm going to say goodbye for now. Priscilla out. Don't forget the 20% off Colourarte coupon code.